Hey feds, I recently spoke with a bunch of federal employees in Washington, D.C. I'm going to create a video on that and I'll have that out sometime soon. But one of the things that I found is that when I would ask the question, what day is the best day to retire? A number of them said the first day of the month. Really? Where did you hear that? Someone asked recently in a workshop, what's the best day to retire? First day of the month, last day of the month? It is the last day of the month. And then they asked, so how do pay periods figure in that? Well, they don't. They don't. HR may tell you, yeah, go ahead and do a retire at the end of the pay period. Why? Because they don't have to do any extra calculations. Makes it really easy for them. But if you want to do what's best for you and make sure you are getting as much money from your retirement as possible, then you retire on the last calendar day of whatever month, not the first of the month and not the end of the pay period on the first. Come learn these kind of tips and tricks in our workshops. Come join us.